What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix scanner is not working on a Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into a step. First one is all about just go over here, search for the services, and you have to click on this one. And right now from here we need to scroll down and navigate to print spooler. So keep scrolling down and navigate to P, and if you scroll down you'll be able to find print spooler. Right click on this one and go to the properties. Make sure the startup type is being set into automatic and also the service status is running. So if it is manual, change it to automatic. Then what we need to do is we just need to go over here, right click on the same, go to the restart option and just restart it. That's an important one. Once the restart is successfully done, we just need to close this and we have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to do one more thing. That is all about we just need to go over here, search for the service over here once again. Just click on this one. And this time we need to keep scrolling down and navigate to Windows Image Acquisition over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find it. Windows Image Acquisition over here, as you can see. So make sure the startup type is, if it's manual, change it into automatic and go for apply. And right now the service status is stopped, so make sure it is running. So after running it, just we need to close this and right click on this one, go for a restart. Once the restart is successfully done, what we need to just need to close this and we need to move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click over here on the control panel, and we need to go over here for the device and printers. And right now that's going to take you to this, and right now click on the printer and scanner. So make sure if anything is connected, just add it successfully, or if you don't have any devices here, just make sure you add the device properly, and that's what you have to try. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.